for me. Recently.
Ja, maar alles zoekt longer content. Like 15 minuten naar 8 minuten of 10 minuten lang content. 8 minuten, 10 minuten lang content.
Hey bro, like the same content that you post on TikTok, post on YouTube.
Shorts.
Like
YouTube shorts.
Yeah, even start on YouTube shorts and videos to make it bigger.
Yeah. Even actually like a group channel. And a group channel right now met sowieso in het pas kids en zo. Pas kids en zo.
Oh yeah.
Is dat?
Yeah.
Hij is aan het langer.
Yeah, no, people want to see that kind of stuff. Like let's
Ja. Ja,
It's a
dan
brand new message. It's a brand new message for them, man. It's
Java.
Yeah, for the rest, bro. Yeah.
Als hij in de animal wat je nou? Kyle was zo vloek. Hij ook.
Oh, like that's a vibe. Like the way you put the caption and the title. It's like crazy, bro. Crazy. Like literally. You see what you message to do?
Maar waarom?
Post the same content or you post on TikTok, man. Post on YouTube also. That's how you get more followers. You post.
Je gaat kijken om het te doen. Je gaat kijken om het te doen. Maar mijn content is allemaal liever aan die mensen gaan we buiten nog slaan.
What
Wow, die goed wat ik post.
Hi, bro. Hi, bro.
Dan gaan we nog slaan die goed.
As you shoot back in the base, hey bro, literally like yo, hey bro. Even the way you say it is like about gangster, like a bump from over there, and like the caption, and we learn the lyrics. The best thing is the best.
Thank you man, thank you DJ.
Nah,
Away.
hey bro.